Eli, we made it. Ito yung nagkuhan-kuhan na naghamok-hamok na to. Relax na to, Eli. Saka bay. Saka besh ang Hilux besh. I know. Let's go there.
I sit there?
Huh?
I sit there?
Yeah. Eli, where are we? Where are we? Taking a video of you. Oh, do your dance like this. Watch out on the road. Go on that side. That side is clear.
It's not
I know. It's not. Oh, it's okay. Yeah,
It's not comfortable enough.
yeah. But at least there's not a lot of roots there. At least it's kind of smooth in this side. Smooth criminal. But watch out, you might fall down there. Good job, Bibi. That's it. So awesome, man. Some people went there though. Come here. Come here on this side. Oh, what? Okay. Oh yeah. Remember this now. Holy crap. Should go there. Let's go. But you have to go on that side. Let's go. No, this is too steep there. This side, come here. Do like this, do like that. Oh. Woohoo! Wait, I forgot. Okay, let's go. Hold on. Let's go down. can do it. Go. But
So I don't fall down it.
see, it's better if some people can go there too. There, that side, there's a path there.
There to there.
Yeah,
That tree right there.
yeah.
Oh my god. Papa.
It's okay now. It's not as steep anymore. You go first, huh? You go first. Let's go to the cross. Pray for Jesus. No. Look at the cows. So.
Dogs all the way down there.
Woo-wee! Huh? Blue? I don't think we came here last time. It's okay, just be careful.
My skull.
Your skull's not gonna crack. You know why? It's soft. Okay, we can maybe go there.
Is this one okay?
What is that house? It's a nice house. Huh?
Yeah.
What are they eating? Oh, they're eating something.
Wait, what are they eating? Lechon?
What? Go, you go first. I'll take a video of you. Hey guys, check this out, guys. Oh, woo-wee! Eli, spread your arms. Oh, like that, up high. Woo-wee! What? That's so cool. Should come back here with Mama.
Let's see.
Maybe when we go back, I'm gonna carry you. If you're gonna pee. You're gonna pee before they get here.
Sure.
No, still there so far. Yeah. But dude, me and my Bibi boy spending time together, oh. Why you step on my
I'm not
toes?
even stepping.
Yes, you did. See, big boy. You guys got me really dirty, guys. GG. Look at you. Over on that side. But Resort na yung bata na may kung ano. There's a room you can rent. It's in the mountain. Do what here? Just for the view. You gonna dance here? Huh? Show it to them.
No.
It's
No.
okay.